Channel6.ca, supported by wherever you're at in life, they'll make you better. From rehab, sport performance, to changing your lifestyle, they can help. Studio Pilates, strength for life. Creating mobile, flexible, pain-free bodies.
Well, this evening, this is part of our City of Red Deer's public awareness campaign on noise. And so what we're doing is testing out vehicles here tonight to give them a sense of how loud their vehicle is and at what point their noise becomes excessive and becomes a nuisance. We're kind of using the ranges that Calgary and Edmonton use, which is about 96 decibels at 3,000 revving RPMs. And so giving them a sense of what that sounds like and when they go above that, so they have a sense of when they shouldn't be. He was actually 107 on this and went even higher on that one. Okay, so at 2,000, you were already at 107. I think really our approach here with the City of Red Deer is not to have to go down the enforcement route. We want people to take ownership of this issue and be respectful of their neighbors and their neighborhoods and know when their noise becomes a nuisance.
This is kind of good to know for yourself too, isn't it?
Yeah, it is actually. I've never known how loud this thing's ever been, so now I know.
Issues, or they know that there's some repeat offenders out there for sure, keeping track of those, recording their license plate, what the vehicle is, and submitting that to the RCMP so they can follow up on it for sure.